G'day, how you going? I'm inside this CX9 again. I've had another couple of problems. So these things will probably stop me from getting a roadworthy certificate, and I need to fix them. I'll show you what they are. I found a couple of minor problems in here. As you can see, this seat bolt doesn't want to release, so this catch is broken. It's going to have to be replaced. See if I can find something for that. The next problem I found, I don't know whether it's going to be a roadworthy item, but this catch is not attached properly. You probably have to pull the seat out and fix that. I need to get this apart so I can get the seat out. Right, just attack it. I might have to destroy this to get it apart.
Fire flames paint the woods in gold, whispers of secrets that ain't been told. Rockets to the lake with a hidden smile. Ain't no rules out here for miles. Late night rendezvous by the barn so high. Fireflies dancing in the southern sky.
There we go, got it. So the rest of this should be pretty easy to get out. The seat's supposedly pretty easy to get out. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's come off. Right. Okay, so that's going to be pretty easy. It's just going to be just a few bolts on it. There's another one over here. Another one like that. Let's just get that cover off. Oh, it should be 14 mils. Get those two out. There must be something on the back. Not made for a fat bloke to work on. There we go. That's just another two bolts. Right, so that seat will come out. This back seat came out. Oh, what do we got? $2. And that goes in the pocket. Oh, that pocket's got a hole in it. Inside the back of this thing though, it's a pretty disgusting mess. Probably just as well I pulled it out. Might even pull that back seat, give the whole back a decent clean, but have a look at this. This is just the amount of shit that's in here. A little bit mind-boggling. My mind's easily boggled. Right, so this seat turned out to be quite a pain in the ass to get out. It's actually bolted in under here. Can't really see it, probably. But just undo this. Undo that bolt. Bolts up under there. And grab the seat belt and pull it out. There's not a whole lot I can do on this thing until I get the replacement seat belt, so I'm going to stick it back outside because I really need to get some space back in here. And I'd like to do a little bit of stuffing around on the 80 series. Yeah, get that a bit more looked at. Maybe it'll be all right. I've got to make some space out here. Just going to have to move these cars over, make it a bit more usable. What do you reckon I should do with this? I'm thinking about maybe chatting to Cody and see if he wants to help me destroy it. Let me know what you think I should do with this XR6. Yeah, drop a comment. Alright, so I've got the jump battery, jumper leads, just need to find a key for the belt. Bust it up, ain't no doubt, this rigging ain't going far. Rusted frame, dying flame sitting in the yard. Bell check, slick, but she's long gone. The anchors are just curling in so. Up a bit. That's better. Let's roll that again. Land Cruiser, sitting here in check. Bust it up, broke down this leg. Let's see if the Suzuki will run. Pretty sure this battery's going to be dead flat. Yeah, Suzuki battery's flat. It should fire up. World stains, must have changed, can't find no relief. Cabin crack, drop some herbs. Fires up straight.
Muffle out, head bow, praying for a spark.
Might pull this battery out, put it on the charger. Still should be a good battery, it's just been sitting for a little while.
Dreams of highways, wild and free, but all it's given is misery. Once a treasure, now a stone. Land Cruiser, leave it on. What's the earth fucked up, broke down, that's Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't going around, just this a mobile trip. Never leave a shed, never leave a shed.
Alright, there's one out of the way. Alright, so that's the line, let's get this Suzuki moved. Get right in front of it.
Busted up, fucked up, broke down mess. The Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress.
Alright, so there we go. They're both moved out of the way.
Dusty dash, we got no cash, it's a total wreck. The Land Cruiser sitting here in shed.